Images, for instance, Twitch profile. Es una buena pregunta. ¿Cómo cambias el fondo de tus imágenes? Por ejemplo, la del perfil de Twitch. Oh, okay. By the way, Saturdays we do this in English, but I would like to say, or well, I want to, well, I don't know. I would like to say it's Spanglish, okay? It's Spanglish because, of course, if you want to ask something in Spanish, Saturdays is fine. I will answer your questions. Hello there. How is everything? Suarez, I use the following URL. It's called. So Saturdays is in English, but it's fine if you want to, ask question in Spanish. I will answer anyway. Yeah, Tuesdays and Thursdays is in Spanish. Saturdays is in English. Suárez y Manol, para eso yo uso la siguiente página, se llama remove.bg. Let me see if this is this one. Oh, give me a second. Oh, in fact, I can show you maybe. Just give me a second. Close other tabs. Maybe this. Let me open. Yeah, definitely is this. So to remove my images like real quick, I use the following website. Okay, so you just upload the image and then you can change for any background. They have a couple of colors and a couple of preset backgrounds. You can do it there, and that's the trick. Okay. Adrian says, what CSS framework do you recommend for small projects in React? So for small projects in React, I do recommend no framework at all. Yeah, I prefer to use CSS with CSS modules. That's my recommendation. Suarez, definitely. That saves us. Of course, it's a kind of a free service. But if you want, like, have the, fully quality image, you need to pay something. But for me, the free service, helped me a lot. Works pretty well. So yeah, so definitely for a small project in React, I don't use any CSS framework. I use just like plain CSS, and I use CSS modules to avoid class collisions between, the CSS. So I forget completely to set up my setup. So let me check how this looks. Oh, okay, this looks awesome. Can I see? Yeah, you can see my hands. But let me just fix this a little bit. So today this is IoT. So now I have a better setup for this. Let me move. Maybe if I do this. Yeah, I think this will do the trick. I think this is clear. I don't know if is this enough light? Like I guess it's pretty clear. So let's try this. So today we are going to continue with the Raspberry Pi Benjamin Sky, and the following thing is this button. We're going to connect this button and we are going to play with it. So let's see how it goes. I have a new stuff here because definitely I was borrowing the Arduino stuff that I have, and I bought a couple of things. I bought a new. Can you see this there? Yeah, I guess you can kind of see it. It's like some kind of cases where I can put my electronic stuff. So now it's much more organized. So I have the cables and the stuff here, and for that we are going to use these buttons. Well, these buttons in this case. It's a nice buttons where you will see in a second. Yes, I promise. And of course we will going to use the following breadboard. Now I have a big breadboard, okay? And then we need the wires. And I'm going to read you. So, Adrian, so you make your own grid and responsive design? Definitely. With Flexbox, it's super easy to, to do responsive design. I don't use any grid system at all because usually the kind of design that I do is really custom. So it's not like, 12 layout grid system is going to work for me. I prefer to, yes, do it myself. This tastes pretty good. Nice. Okay. So, I'm missing something. Yeah, the wires. The wires. And today we have the official jersey of Ganja White Knife. It's a nice band that this is my favorite band. Oh, it's in the other side. I think, yeah, you can see. This is my favorite band. I will put some songs here, but I don't own the rights of the music, but it's really awesome. Listen, Ganja White Knife. I love it. It's dubstep. I mean, it's not for everyone. So let me see. Yeah, I have the wires here. What else do I need? Ah, of course I need the wristband. Things like that. The wristband. What else? Yeah. Oh, this is Jam Marher. This is gin and tonic. But I'm drinking a new gin that I discovered here. Well, I don't discover it. I saw it in the Systembolaget. So in Sweden, I don't know, for those that don't know about Sweden, you can buy alcohol in any place in Sweden. There is just one place, and this is what I know. I don't know if it's true, but I guess so. It's owned by the government, and it's called the Systembolaget. It's the only place where you can buy alcohol in Sweden. And of course, you can buy alcohol in the bars and everything, but then you want as an individual, like buy alcohol, you need to go there, and you need, of course, to and they don't open on Sundays, just Monday to Saturdays, and it's not open like 24/7. It's not like that. At least I haven't seen it open 24/7 now. It's like let me see if I can see how the drinks is called. Stockholm gin. Let me see. Yeah, it's this one. Let me see. Yes, look this. This is the gin that I'm drinking. It's like it's like a beverage, like for the cough. I think it's cough. Yeah, like cough syrup. Yeah, it's a really nice bottle. No, I don't have it closer to me. But it's a Stockholm distillery. Yeah, distillery. I guess this is really nice. Okay, so let's move to desktop. Let me see. Yeah, this looks much better than the last time. Remember, the last time I have the camera really far, and this is the buttons. What I really like about these buttons is that you can put like I'm thinking, what about for Friday releases, we use a really nice red button. Like you can like take one of these guys, and then you can put like this cover here. I mean, this is the button. I don't know. Maybe. Let me see. Can you hit it? This is the click of the button. Right, so this is the nice button, and then you can cover it. It's a little, yeah, now you have the button. Now you can press it. That's the button. And that's the button that we're going to use. Do you like red? Yeah, but maybe we should use, red. I think red is good. And let's put the button. Oh, wait. I know I'm missing. Of course, since we are going to use our Raspberry Pi, I'm missing something really important. I'm missing the cobbler tree. The cobbler tree. Hey! Strike up Dev. How are you? Yeah, I guess this one is where I put my cobbler. Oh yeah, here. This is the cobbler tree. I will show you in a second. How is it? Nope. You just not really. They don't track how much alcohol do you buy, because you just need to show your ID in order to show that you are older. Like, no, you're an adult. That's it. That you can buy alcohol. But it's not like they put you in the system or something like that. No, it's not like that. But yes, they try to control, people. I guess people don't get drawn on Sundays, so you are shit face at, it's shit face. Yeah, I guess it's shit face at Mondays. I think that's it. Yeah, this red button is for the Friday releases. Friday release. Red button. Okay, so first. As I said before, let's use the wrist. So this wrist is for avoid static, static discharge to the components. So it has like, I connect this part to a metal piece. I will connect to here, and then I just put it into my wrist. In a second, this takes a little bit, and now I am trapped here with you because I'm attached to the to my desk, basically to my desk. Give me a second. Okay, I think I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so let's do this. So remember the first theme. I'm not going to turn on the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi needs to be turning on just when you are going to test it. So what we are going to do, we are going to connect this thing here, like this different. This is called the GPIO, General Purpose Input Output. So we are going to connect this here, and for that, what we can use is this nice thing. Call it the cobbler tip. It helps us to connect the Raspberry Pi to this breadboard. And it's basically like the same structure. I will show you. So we have like the wire, this nice wire. And then this is the cobbler tip. Cobbler. Yeah, it's cobbler. What is the name? Yeah, cobbler. Not sure if you can read it. Maybe. Let me see. Yeah, cobbler plus breakout, assemble PT, add the fruit that it. There was where I buy it. Okay, so this is the cobbler tip. Give me a second. I know this camera is a little bit slow with the with the focus thing. Yeah, it's a mess. I guess if it doesn't find anything, yeah, you need to do this thing. But I prefer to have the autofocus enabled, because then I can like show you things more closer and it will focus. It's a little bit slower, but yeah, it's what I have. We will change in the future. The camera that I use for for talk with you, that is much better. That's more faster. It's faster with the autofocus. Buenas. Mon, how are you? Okay, so I will connect this, this cobbler tip here, and let me see where I want to connect it. I guess it doesn't matter, right? Well, no, yeah, I'm just going to do it here. Take very precaution. Is everything good? Yes. Oh my god, this is hard. It's not going to fit. Might be enough fit at all. Oh, oh, that was scary. Let's go back to, yes. Now is there, okay? I don't know. Do you think this is dark or is clear enough? Because I have a lamp. Can we try with the lamp? Let's see. I have a lamp. Let me connect the lamp and see if it looks better if I use the lamp. The problem if I connect the lamp, this is going to be a mess. Or maybe let me put more lights. Oh, it's better like that. And maybe I don't need the lamp. Yeah, I guess. Oh, now it's like yellowish. And how I look? God, look good. Look awesome. Beautiful. Yeah, I think I don't need the lamp. I have this lamp. Oh, oops. I have this lamp here. Can you see it? Maybe not. This is a nice lamp. But let's put it here outside. I think that does the trick. Yeah, I think it's more clear. If not, we can try the lamp thing later. But let me close the lamp. Now we can try. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to connect the wire. And the wire has like a little thing here. Yes. Oh, it's hard to see. Let me try this. Let me see. Yeah, it has like a little thing here. Probably you can't really see it because it's like black as hell. But it's basically like the thing that indicates what is like the, you know, the direction of the wire. So yeah, it's like that. Let's put it. Let's press, push it. Oh yeah, let's push. Okay, and now I can connect the other side, this other side, to the Raspberry Pi. So I have it here. This is the Raspberry Pi. So for this, yeah, it has the same thing, like has a direction, and then is connect. Okay, but the Raspberry Pi is turned off, so it's not going to do anything right now. Okay, and let's keep it as it is. I just try to keep track of what I drink. Who? You? I don't think so. Or yes. Or maybe. I don't remember if you really like alcohol. This mango is delicious. I don't remember if I tried mango before here in Sweden. Like, you know, Europe in general doesn't have so many fruits as Latin America. Especially Colombia. We have a nice, really tasty fruits there. Me too. What? Why 30 days of no alcohol? What is that? Okay, let's continue with the setup. And then I need to put the button. So I'm just going to choose any place, I guess. That doesn't matter. So how this works is basically these lines are connected in this direction. And these lines are connected in the little like spaces. Like here, this line has a connection, and then this other line has another connection, basically. And this is for the energy, usually. So I'm just going to put the button here, I guess. Yeah, that's a nice place for the button. So now I can, you know, press the button. Nice. And then I need the wires. So let me check the book. Let's check the book together. Okay, let's check the book. So the book says, I basically going to use a GP2. So we are going to use a GP2, you know, input. Yeah, I will say it's an input for one of the, you know, one of the legs of the button, and then we are going to use the ground for the other leg of the button. Okay, does they have any direction? Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to put the book here so I can read it. And let's use two wires. One blue wire, and then 2 dark wire. So this is my blue wire. So for this one, I'm just going to take the GP2, and the GP2 is, need to read this. Oh my god, what is it? Huh, this is different. Okay, it says it has another name, but in short it's GP2, but still remember, GP2 is just one of the options. We have another series of different pins. I'm going to use GP4, okay? Because I don't know, I'm scared. So I'm just going to use GP4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I connect the, the wire just to the, in fact, I can do this. Like, I can connect it like that. And because, as I said before, like these lines are connected like this, it's going to work, okay? And then I will connect it to this leg. Here. Yeah. So basically, I have connect one of the legs of the button. I mean, do we need like more zoom? Oh, maybe, yes. I guess this is better, right? Yeah, we can do this. I guess it's worth it. Okay, so now I have connected one of the, one of the legs of the button to the GP4. And then I need this other leg connected to ground. And yeah, I'm going to use the other side as they suggest. That's strange, but let's do it that. And usually, is it a good idea to use a black wire for the ground, for the negative? Oh, okay. I have a, well, oh, look, I have a black wire. The other day I was unable to find it. Okay, I have my 2 black. So I'm just going to use this here for the other leg, and it's going to put it here in this, in this blue line. And then I need to take this other one, okay, to the ground, or the negative, I guess it's ground, yeah, here. And this is our whole circuit today, basically. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Yeah, the book is, the book helps, of course, like, and has some exercise. So now let's turn this. So first, because this is a complicated setup, I need to do more setup stuff. So I have this little guy here that allows me to capture the video of the Raspberry Pi and then show you that, in the streaming. So I'm going to use that and then this other cable. So I connect the, let's see here. And then I connect this to my computer. And I noticed something from my last, streaming. In some point, my streaming started to get really slow. If that happens, please let me know. Because I can kind of, monitor it, and then probably we can't do too much. I need to buy another computer for this streaming setup because it's too much for the MacBook. Unfortunately, the software for a stream is not optimized for the MacBooks. It's a mess. So I need like, a Windows computer to stream the stuff and then connect everything. Yeah, it's going to be a mess, but it's better. So let's see. So, I'm not falling off the wagon, not eating healthy, drinking alcohol, not too much exercise. Very bad. What is that? Stray cat? Agus, I mean, what is the reason of that? You need to code more. If you code, you get healthier. For some, unimaginable reason, I guess. Unimaginable. I don't know how to say that, but that's why we are doing this. Okay, so now just connecting. Yep, great. And then I'm going to connect the Raspberry Pi to the power. And Brownie, fuera de acá. No. My dog speaks Spanish, sorry, so I have to switch. Okay, let's connect this. I Hopefully it's not going to explode. Let me see if you can check. Yeah, you still can check the... Yeah, you still can check it. Let me see. This is hard. I guess it's going to be funnier. Oh my god, no. It's going to be funnier. Maybe if I... oops. Yeah, I guess you... It's going to be funnier with the Arduino. Okay, now the Raspberry Pi is connected. It's not going to do anything right now, okay? And then I'm just going to open something here. So I can share with you, how everything looks inside the Raspberry Pi. In this case, let me open a terminal. If I open a terminal here, I can show you what I'm doing. What is my terminal? Oh, it opens in the other side. So I'm just going to check if my Raspberry Pi is there. So for that, I do this, pi at Raspberry Pi. Apparently it's there. Let me see if allow me to connect. Yeah, oh, updates inside the Raspberry Pi. This is my terminal inside the Raspberry Pi. And that means that I guess I can connect here. Oh my god. And then I can show you this. Yeah, this is the Raspberry Pi. So we are going to open Scratch here. Windows is cool. No, what are you talking about, Juanjo? Well, I need to try it. I haven't... My last window was Windows 7. That's the last window that I use, like, for real. But the best Windows ever is Windows 98. Second edition. Best Windows ever, all the time. The Raspberry Pi is a little bit slow, so don't worry about that. I guess we also can open the Python thing here. By the way, I don't see my... Oh. Yeah, so this is a Scratch. Give me a second. I don't see a few applications that I should have in my MacBook. Okay. Okay, so what it says the book is we are going to create this... basically the following circle. So remember that you need to add here in the Scratch. We are going to do this in Scratch. This is kind of a programming language that is visual, but then we are going to do it in Python. Okay, so don't worry. We're just going like one step at a time. So then when I click here, and this basically, let's put a little bit of zoom. Okay, and if you notice, the controls are pretty simple. You have just like 1, 2, 3, 4 controls, right? So it says when we click this, we are going to set, in this case, the GPIO to put high. Okay, and I don't really know what that means. Like, what is pull high, pull low, not pull? Like, let me see what the book says. Best Windows was Vista, super easy and intuitive. Vista was pretty cool. Yes, I really like it. That instead of, Windows XP, much better. I really like the crystal blurry effect, definitely. That was nice. How am I going to get a beach body sitting all day long on the computer? Pressing the keys like really hard. That's the exercise that coders do. Derek, what are you doing? What am I doing? We are playing with the Raspberry Pi, basically. Sorry, I haven't read the chat for a while, but hey, Guillermo, your English so good. English great for Acapulco. Hey, thank you, Javier. Thank you. I just read the message. Sorry, because I missed a couple of them. Thank you. Yeah, that's the idea. I'm trying. I'm still improving my pronunciation. In fact, Stray Cat Dev. It should be Stray Cat. Oh yeah, because the Stray Cat is a cat from this tray. For the Stray, is the same? Is written the same? I don't really know. She knows a lot of English as well. Insert close meme here. Yeah, I know, but it's written like that. Like I thought it was something like, you know, like RIHG, something like street, something like that. I don't know, but I know what it means. Stray cat. Definitely, you are a stray cat. Denek, yo sabía escribir y leer inglés por el colegio, por la universidad, específicamente porque yo chateaba mucho con amigos en inglés. Pero no lo hablaba. No tenía ni idea. Y eso es lo que estoy tratando de corregir ahora porque tengo muchas palabras y mi pronunciación todavía está muy pegada al español. No estoy hablando del acento. Tener acento está bien. Es más como problemillas de pronunciación que estoy corrigiendo. Me toca desaprender porque me lo sé como en español, ¿ves? Entonces ha sido pues un proceso... es divertido, yo creo que hay que disfrutar del proceso. Y hace más o menos 5 años, es que más o menos 15 años que yo tengo como cierta habilidad en el inglés, pues como de realmente escribir, chatear y eso. 15 años, pero desde mis 14 o 15 años es que como que más o menos puedo hacer eso. Diría yo que por la escuela y por el internet y los videojuegos. Pero apenas hace más o menos más de 5 o 6 años que lo hablo. Y fue porque... por el trabajo, básicamente. Entonces, creo que el trabajo, empezar a hablarlo, así sea, decir como pocas frases, como aventarse, es importante. De hecho, yo salgo a vacaciones, la otra semana trabajo y salgo a vacaciones por unas buenas semanas. Y en mi canal de YouTube, si no me siguen, de hecho hay un primer video donde estoy hablando de todo el tema de relocation, porque yo estoy en Estocolmo, Sweden. El primer video, o sea, estos son como una serie de videos de las cosas que hay que tener en cuenta. Y obviamente una de las cosas más importantes es el inglés. ¿Ok? Yes, you never stop learning English. That's true. Basically. I learn new, sentences, words every day. And that's why it's so important to watch English in English with or without subtitles. But in English. Not put subtitles in Spanish. No, wrong. You need to watch series in Netflix with English subtitles or no subtitles at all. That's the best advice that I can, give you if you really like movies and series and everything there. So, sí, mi siguiente video, el primer video que voy a sacar de esa serie de videos es precisamente tips para seguir aprendiendo inglés y cómo, eso es obviamente una experiencia personal, un punto de vista personal, pero que quizás pueda ayudar a otras personas. Entonces, estén pendientes ahí de mi canal de YouTube, ¿ok? Okay, what is that the video about the relocation thing? Oh yes, I still, I have it here. If you do the Europe command, I think it's Europe or Europa. Europa, let me see. Europa. Oh, damn it, that's in English. That's really bad. Europe. Let me see. Yeah, that's the command. Thank you. Thank you, Danek. Thank you so much. Remember that Tuesdays and Thursdays we do it in Spanish. And we are doing a web project, a complete different thing, but we are, testing here. So let me read the book because I don't understand what it means the bullet high. So it says, start a new Scratch program and drag when you click it, blah, 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 connect the blah, 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 block, and select the number 2. Okay, so we have number 4. Remember that I told you before it was number 4? Yes, great. And what it means, if you click the green button now, nothing will happen. If you click the green flag button. Okay, so if I click this, nothing is going to happen. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's nothing happening. That's because you have told Scratch to using the pin as an input, but not what to do with that input. Okay, so I told Scratch use this pin as an input, but okay, drag forever. Okay, but not with that input. Okay, so what is the difference between when... Okay, so this is a conditional. This is like... this is another conditional? What it means? Like... Yeah, this is like a statement, okay? And this is like set. Set the input. Oh, to output. Okay, got it. And then this is kind of an input. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see. Now drag the forever block to the end of your sequence and drag the in then else block inside. Find the high GPIO. Sorry, high. GPIO is high. Okay, so we need to drag the control forever. So this is basically like a, you know, as a while true cycle. And then we need the if, we need the if here. Forever, wait, I'm doing this wrong. Yes, I'm doing this wrong. Give me a second. No, damn it. Yes, this is here, and then this is here. This is like coding, but just drag and drop. A lo bien, eso de hablar dos idiomas es complicado. Yo no soy capaz de explicar a alguien conceptos de programación en español. Yeah, it may be. Sometimes I know sentences or words that I just know in English, and it's really hard to translate it. That's true. Also, I'm going to start next Saturday. Saturday? Yeah, I guess it's Saturday. Next Saturday? Sunday. Yeah, next Saturday I will start my Swedish lessons. I know a little bit of Swedish, but yeah, I need to do like proper lessons. Okay, and then let's put this question here. I guess this is kind of the conditional statement. So if the is high, okay, so that's the question. If no, oh man, I need that if else. Damn it. Yeah, I need this one, sorry. And then I need to remove this and move this here, and then I'm just going to delete this. Okay. I don't understand anything so far, but let's see. So basically, we put this as an input, as an output, as an input, and then we ask if this is high. He's like checking in a infinite looping, checking. Is this high? Is this high? If it's high, nothing matters. If no, we are going to say the following thing. We are going to say button push. Okay, push. So I guess this is going to work, apparently. So now let me read the book. So find the GPS block, drag it, blah blah blah, into the diamond shape, white space in it, then blah blah blah. Sorry to read like that. And it says to select the number 2 and say hello for 2 seconds. Block into the else part of the block. Leave in that part empty for now. Got it? So there's a lot going there, but let's start testing it. Click the green flag. Okay, let me green flag. I click it. This is like working there, and then I'm going to push the button. Okay, I'm going to push it now. It's working. Oh my god, look this. You can see it. I mean, I'm just going to press it and change it like right. I press it and then look. Oh, you miss it. It's working. Oh my god. Okay. So let's see what the book says. So, and push your button on the red board. Your sprite should tell you that the button has been pushed. You have successfully read the input from that GPIO pin. Yay, we did it. Okay, I want to do it nice stuff with a leg. We will see. That will be the second part. I don't know if this has instruction for that, but I will try. But let's wait. So, your sprite, blah blah blah. Okay, you might have noticed that the if GPIO is high, then part of the block is empty. The code that runs when the button is actually pushed, meanwhile, is the else part. So basically, let's stop this. So basically, what? Yeah, it's high, else. This is interesting. So we pull it high. Okay, it's high. And then when we push the button, it changes to low, basically. Yeah, because if it's high, it means the button has been pressed. Okay, yes, that's what is happening. So, the code that runs when the button is actually pushed, meanwhile is else part. That seems confusing. Yeah, definitely. Assuredly pressing the button makes it go high. In fact, it's the opposite. In fact, it's the opposite. Soon streaming in Swedish, then conquered. No, I can't. No, in Swedish, I can't. That's going to be hard. Andres Mauro, I really like Duolingo. I still doing it, and I still do English lessons in Duolingo, and I still do Well, I do a lot of stuff in Duolingo. I do, English, Swedish, Portuguese, and Japanese. Yeah. Yeah. Hajimemashite. Guillermo desu. Colombia jin desu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. That's all my Japanese that I know. Nah, I know a little bit of Japanese. Still, Japanese is really hard. And probably that was Japanese with that English accent, because something that happens when I'm talking in English and I switch to a new language is I take the kind of the accent, or it's hard. Denek, hay muchos canales para aprender a programar como en YouTube gratis. Yo tengo acá unos streamers recomendados, creo que es así. But also I have this resource, okay? It's kind of a guide, but I recommend you, like, everyone has different ways to learn. Some like, videos, some like read, some like do stuff. The way that I learn is kind of reading and doing the thing that I'm doing right now. I'm learning this. That's the idea of the whole activity. I'm learning how to do this with you, basically. So to be honest, internet, basically, you that's the good thing about programming. You can learn programming in internet these days. Yeah. Dice, estoy ayudando a un amigo a practicar inglés. Él es desarrollador senior y quiere mejorar, así que le pregunto conceptos. Yeah, that's very nice, Stray Cat. Yeah, definitely. Especially if you need English to work. What better than just practice it, in your work environment, right? Okay, so that is confusing, but the opposite definitely is confusing. The opposite. Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins are normally high. Oh, okay, or on. So they are always on. Okay, got it. When set as an input and pushing the button pulls them down to low. Look at your circuit again. See how the button is connected to the GPIO2. Let me see. Let's check. So this is connected. So this guy, this cable here, the blue one, it doesn't look really blue because this is dark. It's connected to in this case, to the pin 4. Remember, we changed it for the pin 4. So which is providing positive part of the circuit, and the ground pin. See how the button is connected to pin 2, which blah blah blah. When the button is pushed, the voltage GPIO pin is pulled low through the ground pin, and your scratch program stops. Oh my god, I'm confusing. I'm confused. Running the code. Oh, okay, wait. Oh. Okay, right. Yeah, that's what it means. Like, the pin is always high. That's how it works. Okay, it's always high. So when we push the button, it gets too low, and of course go to the else. We know that. We already knew that. Block, and instead of running the code, blah blah. It sounds like perplexing. Remembers a button on Raspberry Pi GPIO pin is pushed when the pin goes low. Not when it goes high. Okay. Pin is push. I say confused about the terminology, but okay, let's remember, is it the opposite? So to send your program filter a LED and resistor back into the circuit. Remember, connect the resistor to the GPIO pin 25. Okay, so this is amazing. So we are going to connect now a LED, and I have a problem. I have a new LED. I have a new resistors. But I don't know, these are the LEDs, but those are really, really, really small. I don't really know how much of the resistor, what value of the resistor I need to use for these LEDs. Look, that it's like a million LEDs there. This is kind of input 20 megaamperes, I guess, mega amp, and 2 bulbs. Oh my god, just going to burn these guys, right? I'm going to burn them. Look, this tiny. No, it's a really tiny thing. And I hate the autofocus thing. Ah, look my hand. Look my hand. Yeah, now it's there. Okay. Okay, should I borrow? No, let's, because I don't really know how much I need to use. I'm just going to skip the use of my new acquisitions, and I'm going to use the one done before. So I already have this LED, okay, and this resistance. This is green, blue. Let's check, because I'm really silly. Oh, this is like the. Let's check it. So resistor color kill online. Yeah, the calculator. So it has 4 bands. Yeah. And then first color is green. This is really small. Green, blue, and brown. And this is gold. Apparently, this is gold. Yeah, this is the one that this is fine. This is the one that I used last time. Okay, so be here. Okay, so let's check it. So let's put the, I need to put the resistance here. Maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. I'm just going to connect another. Okay, let's use the white. Just going to connect another pin. I'm going to connect the 22 one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I guess it's this one here. I'm just going to connect it. What is this? I need to answer this. So let's have a short leg and high leg. Let me see. LED short leg. What is that one? So how is, which LED of the leg is positive? Cut. The LED that have the long leg is called the positive, and the short flag, okay, that's the negative. Okay, got it. So basically the what? I completely forgot. Yes, the long leg is the positive. So yeah, that's the one that I need. Positive. So let's connect it here. This one is the positive, right? And then I just need like another black. Oh, but wait, I forget how is this connected. Is the resistance? Put it in any part of the. Yeah, give me a second. I need to remember. For the leg, we put the resistance in the positive. Yes, I need to put the resistance here. Damn it. So I'm just going to move the thing here. Or maybe, no, just here. Yeah. And then I need to bend this damn it thing. Oh, maybe I can just, okay, let's do this. I can just like use it like this. Yeah. And then, oh shit. And then use this little guy here with the positive leg. Yeah. Great. I guess that will do the trick. So we have the resistance here. Let me see if you can check it. Yeah, closer. We have it there. And then I just need another wire. In this case, this is going to be interesting in a few seconds. Don't leave, you will see. And then what I can do is use, I guess I can use the same negative thing, right? And then put it like this. And I don't know if this is going to be is this a good idea? Okay. Oh my god, I connect this without turn off the thing. I guess it's fine. So it says to send Führer into the circuit, remember the resistor pin and the long left the LED at the short left of the left ground rail of your breadboard. Drag the save button push, okay, for the block. Okay, let's go to this. So basically it says let's remove this, and then put set GPIO, okay, to high. So now we are going to use this output, to high. So in this case I use the 22. This is the one where I connect the leg, to high, and then the output to low. Okay, set the output to low. So I guess we are going to turn off and turn on the LED. So now 22, and this is going to be low, and then yeah, and then we can click it here, okay, and let me see what happens if I push the button. Oh, look! Oh my god! Now I have a Morse code machine. How is SOS? Like 3 and 3 long, and then 3. Help me. And then, oh, this is so awesome. Okay, nice. In the other way, if I guess, so this is the nice thing about programming. If I change it, let's stop it. If I change it, if I put like this as high and then this as low, it's the other way around, okay? So I can turn this on and then go to the desktop, and then if I push it, it's going to be turned off. This is so nice. Now we are talking. Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. I mean, we are just like, so let's do this in Python. Oh my god, why this is still, oh, this is turned off. Why? Oh, I guess you need to, reset this stuff. Maybe. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Nah, just checking here. So now let's go and do the same, but in Python. And I guess we can delete this and we can go here. Okay. So let's do this. Oh, but remember, okay, let's do this in Python. So, what is going to be the new button? So remember that we don't really need Python at all. We can just like, use VS Code. I mean, we don't need to use the Tony Python thing, to be honest. We can just like, yeah, we have this hello LED. Maybe, let me see. Maybe let me, okay, no, I guess we can use this same, project. Oh, wait, give me a second. Visual Studio Code is a little bit slow here. Okay, yes. So for those that doesn't know it, so basically we are importing this library, and we are importing the time, we are importing the LED, and then we are going to import the button. Okay, I guess I need to write both. Give me a second. So now let's create button input using GPIO. So simple, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's do this in the code. So if I do I need to, oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's just really slow. GP0 import. I need to write like this. I don't know Python. Do you know Python? This is valid. Oh, okay, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's valid. Let me see the code here. Oh yeah, it's valid. It's definitely valid. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new button. Button. Let me see. Button equals button, and the button was in 4. Yeah, it was in the 4. So remember the 4. And then I can do something like while. Okay, like let's comment this. Oh, let's quit. Oh, let's quit this. Okay, great. And then we can do something like this. Button that wait for press. Oh, this is weird. Because, you know, in JavaScript, you use like camel case. And then we can print. You push me. Great. Let's run it. So if I run the Python file here. Oh, do I have an error? What? Oh, yeah, it's because this is here, right? Yeah. Let's run it. Let me show you the desktop. Oh, well, let me show you. Nothing's what's going to happen. It says you push me. I completely forgot. So I run it here and then I push it. Okay, great. This is pretty nice because basically I can set when, you know, when it's push, let's call an API. You know, let's send an email when I push the button. Let's something. This is really nice. So then, what I can do there is like, okay, wait for press, and then I can do like LED on, sleep for 3 seconds, and then turn it off, basically. Okay. And then what else we can do here? Yeah, that's basically the code. So if I run the code here, this is now in Python. I totally totally can close this. We are not using this anymore. We are like, yeah, let's live. And then if I go here and this is running now with Python. Yeah, oh well, it doesn't turn off. Oh yeah, because it's 3 seconds. And now oh, okay. Look, I do this like once and then the Python, the Python thing, now it's over. Do I have to put like a while true? Remember like this, while true maybe? It's going to be this like, let me try this. It's going to be like a crazy thing to do. Oh, this scroll is annoying. Let me try this. I want this to be forever. Forever Python. I'm just going to crash the program maybe. Let me see. It's there. Okay, let's go back to the desk. Let's press it. Okay, 3 seconds. It's running. Yeah, I can doing it for 3 seconds. Okay, it's still there. You know, this is nice. Okay, and then I can like just finish. Oh my god, now I can finish this program. What? Oh my god. It's going to be forever. No, stop. Stop. This is not a good idea. I guess I can close the terminal, I guess. Let me see. Oh, wait. Oh, I completely forgot. Oh, yeah, that's now the terminal. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. What if I want to... What other stuff does the button, the button library? Let me see. GPU 0 button. Let's Google this. Button. Let's check for the documentation. Recipes. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is really small, I guess. Yeah. Oh. So it says, oh, it's still really small for you guys. Yeah. Can you send an email when you push the button? Yeah, Denek. So that's the nice thing about programming. Like, now that I have the physical button connected to the Raspberry Pi, to this environment, and because, this Raspberry Pi thing, this that you see here, this is a whole computer. This is the computer that I showed you for the keyboard. And now I'm going to just turn it off because I guess that's it for today. But basically, yeah, I have internet access here. I have everything here. So, I can like send an email, of course, connect with an API, like do whatever I want with whatever I can do with the code. I can run it in Python, of course. That's the really nice thing. I'm thinking that maybe I can create something cool, like have a couple of buttons, and then send commands. Similar similar to what I do here when I change, like between different, like you can see me here. I can transfer this here in this kind of thing, because if you want to see, in reality, I am using like this app in the cell phone. So basically, this is like the app that I'm using in the cell phone. So I can change to the right here, to the chat. This is so maybe, and this is an app, but this is an app that I had to pay for because they sell, they sell this. Like if you go to the Elgato Stream Deck, they sell the physical component like this. Look, they sell this thing. This is like a physical device, and it costs money. Like, yeah, look, it's really nice, but when I started to do the streaming, I said I'm not going to pay for this because I don't know if the streaming thing is going to work. So I just they have an app, they have an app. And how much is this? This is it costs money, let me see, shop now. Yeah, like 100, and it's all the stock, so probably it's more expensive right now. Oh, they also have this other alternative, almost 100 euros and 100 and a half, 150 euros. So, but then they have the app. I guess they have the app. Yeah, they have the mobile app, and it's not expensive. It's just a couple of, I don't really remember. Yeah, I don't really remember. I guess I need to go to the App Store. Let me see. Okay, open the App Store. I don't really remember how to pay. Okay, this is new. Where is the app? Oh, not compatible with this device. Oh, yeah, because this is mobile. Well, sorry, I don't really know. I don't really remember. It's not too much. So I'd say I can use it, and then if I don't want to continue using or buy the physical device, I can just, stop paying and buy the physical device. But also I can create something with the Raspberry Pi, of course. In fact, I can create maybe this same thing using a screen. Remember, we have a screen. We have this hyperpixel screen, and it's touch. I have it. Hyperpixel Raspberry Pi. And it's the one that I have is touch. So basically, yeah, this is on a screen. It's like this. I think I have shown you. It's similar size like a cell phone. Look at here. It's this thing. And it's touch. So I can maybe create an interface with the Raspberry Pi, and instead of use this pay app, just make my own, my own desktop thing. That's a good project. My own Stream Deck. This is really nice. So I can use the hypervisor for that, and also I can use it for other thing. I can put whatever I want in this screen. Okay, what I wanted to know just real quick before we leave. Sorry. What are the things that I have here? Oh, okay. So look, this is the thing that I have in the board, like this thing here. Basically, this is like the numbers. The numbers that I was connecting. So I was using the 2. Where is the 2? Oh my god. Not the 4. Oh, is the 4? This looks different, I guess. Yeah, I was using like these different, things, the different pins, basically. And they had names as well. Yeah, but I want to check the button. Okay, look, this is our example. This is a Raspberry Pi 3 or 4, I guess. It's different. But I want, button. Okay, so button is pressed. Look, while true. Oh, look, this is a much better code. Or then you have like to be pressed before continuing. Oh, this is a really nice code. It's pressed, send an email. It's not pressed, don't send an email. That's basically it. And also, I guess I can use the buzzer. We can use the buzzer for the button. Like, instead of a LED, I can use a buzzer. This is nice. But yeah, I guess that's it. I have a much better idea how this kind of thing works. And definitely I will try something, I don't know, wild. I need to figure out about the project. I guess next time, next Saturday, also in English, we are going to, you know, test the last step. Is going to use the buzzer. It's like a noisy device, basically. Like we are going just to buzz. What is left here? Oh, there is a complete. Oh, look this. Maybe next Saturday we can do this amazing thing. Look, 3 legs and a buzzer. And the button. Oh man, this is really nice. I really want to do this. And look the code in Scratch. In the other page, this is the whole code in Scratch. This. Nice. What it does? This is, I guess, traffic lights. Oh, this is like traffic lights. You know, like un semáforo. Forever waits 5 seconds. Oh, this is so awesome, like a traffic light. So I guess we are going to press a button and it's going to start. Oh, I want to do this next Saturday. Definitely, we should do this. Yes, don't miss it. You know, come here next Saturday. Remember, Tuesdays, Thursdays, martes y jueves en español, 3 p.m. Colombia, 10 p.m. España. Y los sábados, más o menos 6 p.m. 6 p.m. España, 11 a.m. Colombia. Hoy empezamos 2 horas más tarde. Estoy viendo los sábados qué hora me queda mejor. In English, okay? Thank you so much to be here. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I know it's just a little bit, but I'm learning, you know. I guess we will do like the other projects here in the Raspberry Pi, and then we will move to I guess the traffic lights is the last project here, because then you need like, oh no, there is another one, quick reaction game. Oh, a reaction game when you can push a button. Oh, nice, for 2 players. Okay, we still have a few projects, and then when we finish that those two projects, we will move to Arduino, because I have the Arduino kit and we have also exercise. And then when we finish the Arduino exercises, there are a lot, like 15 exercises, something like that. We can create a project by our server. We can think about what we want to do with this knowledge. You know, we are going to send the email. We are going to, and also I have you remember I have a couple of devices that I need to test. Like, we still need to play with that and then decide what is going to be our big theme, our new project. So, see you. Thank you so much to be here, and have a nice weekend.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly.